In 2021, Facebook, now Meta, did something that no hacker ever could. It deleted itself from the internet. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger effectively Thanos snapped out of existence. The culprit? A single misconfigured command. It wiped Facebook's BGP routes, which put simply are similar to a satnav for the internet. BGP, also known as Border Gateway Protocol, tells other networks where to find your servers. Without them, no one knows where to send your data. Think of it like hiding every house number and street sign, then wondering why your takeaway isn't turning up. Even Facebook's own systems couldn't talk to each other. Internal tools failed, even stopping staff from badging into their buildings. To fix it, Facebook engineers had to do something truly horrifying: physically go to the data centers. They had to gain physical access to their own lockdown servers and manually restore the missing BGP configurations. The outage lasted 6 hours, which, as we know in internet time, is an eternity. An estimated 17 million users of their service were impacted, including those who couldn't log on to various sites using Facebook authentication. It reportedly cost Facebook $60 to $100 million in revenue. The share price dipped, and Twitter got 6 hours of uninterrupted flex time. And that's how one command took down $1 trillion company. Subscribe for more tech breakdowns before your smart home locks you out for fun.